Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deanna Nicole, and today I will be doing individual false locks on my lovely client Gabrielle. And so I am just showing you all how I parted it off. I did round parting with a parting comb, and she pretty much just showing you how I did my foundation. And so in this next clip, I am going to show you all how I pretty much take the free tress hair that I'm using and using that to wrap around the base. So I crochet it through, and the reason why I do this is because I braid it all the way down due to the fact I want her to be able, if she has to take it down, she can pretty much take her hair down by cutting it at the top, the part that is crocheted. And also, I don't like to leave it out due to the fact that the hair can very much blend in with the synthetic hair. And if you're trying to ever take down your hair or take it out, you might end up cutting your real hair. So that is the reason why I braid the hair all the way down, so that when she does take it out, it's easy to find. So yes, y'all, I'm just showing y'all how I wrap it. I take my thumb. I probably wrap it like 4 times. Take my thumb through it to make that butterfly look or that butterfly effect. And yes, y'all, just continue watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and stay tuned to the end so y'all can see the final results.
This is it, money.
So we finished with the locks. Come forward. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, come back up just a little bit. All right, now turn around with it. Spread it out in the back. Show the people. Yes, turn to the front. How you feel?
I love them.
You love them?
I do.
Tell these people what your Instagram name is so they can see you.
Queen and then underscore Amina.
Okay.
IMENA.
She's gonna take pictures with her bob, but she also has some other cool hairstyles on her page, so y'all go check them out. So, who did your hair?
Deanna.
Exactly, Rawtrendz Boutique. Y'all go check me out in the description below.
This is it, money.